Last month I made $15,251 in commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing using organic free traffic. In today's video, I will share with you guys step by step my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share my secret, my strategies, my new methods, and so much more in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. I'm making every single month over $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing using just easy and free methods that I will share with you in this video, okay? And just last month this payment was paid, okay? As you can see over here, this is my invoice and I already received this money in my PayPal account, okay? Anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link over here. You just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate like this. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, they are really paying a good commissions, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because it's profitable. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just like 2% or 5%. This one is paying up to 17%, okay, for some services. And for some services you guys can earn up to $150 for one service, okay? It's a really profitable. So what you will do next, you just need to click on join now like this, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Choose your country, choose your language, and choose and put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You just need to answer next few questions. They are super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay? You should see your commissions here, your clicks, and so on. What you will do next, you need to choose a good services that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn some commissions. So how we can choose good services? Because you cannot promote any services that you like or that you choose or that you think it's gonna work. It doesn't work like this, okay? So what you will do next to choose good services, you need to go to Google. So first we will use Pinterest to promote those services. So guys, you should have a Pinterest account like this one. Let me show you. Just go to Google and search for Pinterest like this, okay? And click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? And you should know that Pinterest has, I think, has 1 billion monthly visitors. Yes, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can earn so much money if you do it correctly and if you promote your affiliate links correctly using Pinterest, okay? So after you create your Pinterest account, make sure to open a business account, not personal account. What you will do next, you need to go back to Google and search for Pinterest trend. Search for this website, Pinterest trend. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here, okay? So we will use Pinterest trend. We will use this website to see which services and which products are trending on Pinterest this month, okay? So you can scroll down. You have here United States. You can choose which country you want to target. You want to check where which products are trending, for example, in United States or on Canada or Italy, Spain, and so on. I will choose United States. I will scroll down. I have here top trends in United States this month. I can scroll down and I have here filters. Okay, so I can scroll down. I will go over here to interest and I will click here and I will choose any keyword that you like. For example, I will choose design to see which services are trending related to design. And here you go. You have those keywords here, and you have monthly change, you have weekly change, yearly change. So we can scroll down. We have Christmas graphic design. We have this one, 2-point represent perspective. We can scroll down. We have cool websites, Google search bar, Halloween. Okay, let me see. We have Halloween again. We have this one, presentation. Okay, let's check this one. You guys can see this one, presentation. I will click here on this trend prediction available. I will click on this keyword, this tool here, to see if this keyword will be still trending in the future. Okay, this is predict the future. That's a really cool tool that Pinterest has added to this website. It's really good and it's really helpful. I will click here on date. I will choose past 3 months, and you guys can see that this predict the future, this predictor, saying that the graph will still going up. You guys can see over here in this period here, which is really good. So what I will do, this one is good. I will copy this keyword presentation. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search. I will search for presentation. I will search for services related to this keyword that is trending on Pinterest. Okay, this one, presentation. I will scroll down and here you go. You should find a lot of people here who are providing services related to this keyword, which is really good. So what I will do, I will choose one seller. So what you will do, you need to choose good sellers. Always, guys, choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, pro sellers, because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will check the feedback of those sellers. If your sellers are good that you are choosing, then people will buy those services from you and you will start making commissions. Okay, so what you will do next, you will, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. You will click on his service like this and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has 3 orders in queue. So what you will do next, you just need to copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, and go back to your Pinterest, to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, go to your Pinterest homepage, go to Pinterest homepage, click here on Pinterest, click on create pin, and here you go. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his picture, and double click on this picture and save this image to your laptop. So we will use this picture on Pinterest. Click on save, go back to Pinterest, click here and upload this picture about a presentation service. Okay, like this, and here you go. You need title and you need description. Go back to this seller profile page. You are just an affiliate marketer. You guys can copy this information, that's all fine. I will copy the title. I will go back. I will put the title here, this title here like this. description. I will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. I will scroll down. You should see here about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this description like this, and I will go back to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account and you have a new account, you guys can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said, I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same, and go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Here you need to put keywords. Go back to Pinterest trend, to this Pinterest trend account, copy this one, presentation, go back to Pinterest and put this keyword here. Okay, and Pinterest will give you matched tags. Okay, so use all those keywords, presentation, folder, this one, presentation, this one, use all those keywords. Okay, here. After you finish, click on publish. It's super easy, and that's it. And here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy and it's simple, and that's how we can promote your affiliate link on Pinterest using this method. That's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. And for you guys, as beginners, don't focus on commissions, focus on this. So this is what you should start focusing on as a beginner. Focus on this, on clicks, focus on traffic. You need to get traffic, so you need to grow your Pinterest account. You need to create good content that you can use to promote your affiliate link on Pinterest. Make good titles, good description, make sure your keywords are optimized good. You are using your keywords in your title, in your description, and in your tags. If you do it correctly, if you follow those steps, you guys can make your first commissions just in the first few weeks if you stay consistent and make sure to focus on traffic. Like I said, the problem with you guys, you focusing on commissions, you are getting just only few clicks. You just started, so you will not get like my clicks. Like, I'm getting a lot of clicks. I'm getting 500. I'm getting sometime up to, it's close, sometime up to 1 million clicks per month, because I have a lot of Pinterest account that's getting a million of views per month. Okay, so for you as beginner, like I said, you will start with one Pinterest account. You will grow this Pinterest account. You will do your keyword research, see which services are trending, what people are searching for. Go to Fiverr, search for services related to those keywords, start promoting those services. See, always check, you need to check your Pinterest data, okay, and see which services are getting a lot of clicks, which services are getting a lot of views, a lot of impression. Start promoting more services like those services that already are going good. Okay, and if you I can guarantee to you, if you follow those methods in the first few weeks only, you will start seeing commissions. Okay, and I'm not using just Pinterest, I'm using YouTube, I'm using Instagram Reels, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Facebook groups, and so much more. YouTube Shorts. If you guys want to learn more about this, and you want me to make more videos showing you all those methods, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you all those methods. Okay, and for people who are asking, if do I have any affiliate marketing course, yes I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in this description, and I will really be happy to help you with this affiliate marketing business step by step. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.